I asked the restaurant lady, is this everything, everything? She kind of smirked and she's like, yeah, this is everything, I assure you. Hi guys and welcome back to another video. Today I have a very interesting DoorDash story where I earned $30 an hour, but it turned out amazing, or no, it started amazingly, went pretty terrible, and then turned out pretty great for me at least. So let's dive right into it. Today, earlier, I went at 5 p.m. for door dashing or dashing. And I thought to myself, people are just getting off work. They must be exhausted. They'll order food. They'll give tips. We are looking good. And that was exactly the case. So I started dashing. 5 minutes into dashing, I received my first order. Restaurant was pretty close by. I went over there. The order was 2 miles for $10. And I thought to myself, wow, this is fantastic. We're going to have an amazing day today. I went to the restaurant. We did about 5 more minutes for the order to get ready. Order was handed to me. I confirmed, is this everything? But the box was closed in which the food was in. So I couldn't exactly confirm myself and double check with the receipt. So I just asked the person at the restaurant, is this everything? Person's like, yes, this is everything. I was like, all right, great. Have a great day. Let me be off on my dash. I didn't say that, but it was something to that extent. So I went over to the customer's house all jolly, and I delivered the food. Lady was as kind as a person could be. Said she wasn't wearing a mask. I should set the food down, and she would pick it up. Gave me a nice $30 tip, and I was like, all right, great. It was amazing already, but lady made it even better by giving me a $3 tip. And we were at $12.75, I believe, for a 2 mile order, which was completed in roughly 20 minutes. So really, really nice pay starting off. I started heading back and I got another order from that same restaurant. While I was headed to the restaurant, I receive a call from a number I don't recognize, and this is where it gets interesting. Lady calls up and she's like, we're missing a big chunk of our order. We're missing a lot of tacos. I was like, okay, I'm headed to the restaurant anyways. I will grab it for you. I'm so sorry this happened. I asked the restaurant to confirm. They did confirm, and I'm sorry about that. I will get your food back to you as soon as possible. I head back over to the restaurant and tell the lady I ordered or took the food from, or the lady I took the food to said she was missing a large chunk of her order. She was like, okay, could you please call the lady back up and check what is missing? We'll try to get it ready for you guys. I called the lady up. There is no response from 2 phone calls and a text. So I had another order waiting. I said, could you please hand me the other order? I want to go complete that. I'll be back. If the lady responds, I'll come back and pick up the order for her. So while I'm picking up the order, one of the guys at the restaurant said, I kind of remember which order we may have made a few less tacos on, I guess. So we'll go ahead and pop out a couple more tacos for you guys. I go and complete the second order, which was like $10 for 3 miles. So once again, amazing order. This order just said, leave it at my door. I went ahead, left it at the door, gave him a good rating, came back to the restaurant. And the lady's like, here you go, 2 more tacos for you. And I was like, all right, fine. I get a text back. The lady says we're missing 4 tacos. I go place the order in my car, come back into the restaurant for the 3rd time for one order. And I was like, the lady said she's missing 4 tacos. The lady at the cashier says, could I please see the text? I show her the text. She looks at the entire order. She's like, okay, I'm sorry. We'll have this made for you shortly. So I'm trying to test the lady back to get her address, stuff like that. And she's like, here's my address. And I'm waiting. I wait for a solid 20 minutes, go back to the house. And by this time, it's like 6 and it's getting dark. So I'm like, oh my God, she's going to be pretty pissed. This took a whole bunch of time more than I was supposed to take. And like, the restaurant is messing up left and right here today. So I go back to the lady's house after the order is prepared. Oh, actually, before I do that. So I go back to the lady's house. She's waiting out in the dark. I was like, okay, I feel bad already. What the hell is going on today? I hand the food over to the lady. I explained. I asked the people at the restaurant if it was everything. The box was closed. I couldn't look inside to confirm for myself. I'm so sorry about this. I hope you guys have an amazing dinner. The lady was so sweet. She handed me another $10 bill. She was like, I know it's not your fault, and went on inside that was incredibly nice of her, incredibly sweet of her. And if she by chance watches this, you are amazing. Thank you so much for making a Dasher's Day fantastic and turn out amazingly. And you definitely deserve better than that. So I am once again sincerely sorry. Anyways, guys, I hope you guys enjoyed this video. If you did, definitely hit that thumbs up button. If you like this type of content in general, hit that subscribe button as well as the post notification bell. Other than that, I hope you guys have an amazing day, and I will see you guys in my next video.